In this video, I want to show you how to use your Logitech M720 with your iPad. So let's get started. First step is to put this mouse into pairing mode so that the iPad can see it. So go on the back of the mouse, make sure that this switch is towards the right side, so it's turned on. And then, as you notice over here, you can pair 3 different devices with this mouse. Device number 1, device number 2, and device number 3. You need to select one of these numbers by clicking this button right over here. As you see, every time I press on it, I select a number. If I want to pair the iPad with the number 3, I simply have to make sure that it's lit up and that the light flashes quickly the way you see it. If the light doesn't flash quickly, simply press this button right over here, keep it pressed until the light starts blinking quick, and this will mean that it's in setup mode. So leave it on the side, take your iPad, and over here where you see the settings icon, keep press on it, and then you're going to select Bluetooth. Once you are in the Bluetooth menu, you're going to see under other devices your M720 Triathlon, whatever. Tap on it, wait a few seconds, press the pair button, and it is now connected. If I move the mouse, you can see the cursor moving, but we're not done. You can customize many things. What you can do is to go over here on the left side menu of the settings of your iPad, and you're going to go and select accessibility. And then on the right side menu, you're going to go down and you're going to select pointer control. Here you go, pointer control, tap on it. And here are different things you can change. So you can increase or decrease the contrast of this pointer, the color, the pointer size, the animation, and also the scrolling speed, okay? How fast it is when you scroll. This is about it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.